Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Monisha.Chandrashekhar, currently pursuing my engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. My USN is 1VE23CY031. So today the topic is Introduction to C Programming Language, where we'll be knowing about the C programming language. So the introduction part. The programming language C was developed in the early 1970s by Dennis at Bell Laboratories. It was named C because many of its features were derived from an earlier language called B. C is one of the most popular programming languages and is being used on several different software platforms. Some backgrounds which we can know about the C programming language are C is derived from ALGOL, the first language to use a block structure. Before C, several other programming languages were developed. In 1967, Martin developed a language called BCPL, that is Basic Combined Programming Language. In 1970, Ken developed a language called B, used to develop the first version of UNIX. C was developed by Dennis in 1972 that took concepts from ALGOL, BCPL, and B. C was documented and popularized in the book The C Programming Language by W. Chemigan and Dennis in 1978. So the characteristics of C. C is a high-level programming language. The C compiler combines the features of assembling languages and high-level languages and has a set of built-in functions and operators to write complex programs for system, software, and business packages. Small size C has only 32 keywords. C makes extensive use of function calls. Structured language as the code can be organized as a collection of one or more functions. Stable language, that is ANSI, was created in 1983 and since then it has not been revised. Since C programs make use of operators and data types, they are fast and efficient. Supports pointers to refer computer structures and functions, facilitates low level program. C is a core language as many other programming languages like C++, Java, Perl, etc. are based on C. C is a portable language, that is a C program written for one computer can be run on another computer with little or no modification. C is an extensible language as it enables the user to add his own functions to the C library. C is often treated as the second best language for any given programming task. Next comes the uses of C. System programming, that is the probability, efficiency, the ability to access specific hardware addresses, and low runtime demand on system resources make it a good choice for complementing operating systems and embedded system applications. Compilers, libraries, and interpreters of other programming languages are written in C. C is used as an intermediate language for implementation of other languages and or compiler like BitC, GameBit, the Glasgow, and many more. So C is widely used to complement end user applications. Okay, the structure of C programming language, where in C program is composed of preprocessor commands, a global declaration section, and one or more functions. Preprocessor directives contain special instructions to prepare the program for compilation. The most commonly used one is include. A C program contains one or more functions, a group of C statements written in a local sequence that are executed together to perform a specific task. The main function is the most important function and a part of every C program. Execution begins at this function. So all functions are divided into two types, that is declaration section and the statement section. So you can have the look at the structure of the C program, where the preprocessor directives comes first, then global declaration, then the main function, then local declaration statements, then you can add on like function 1, function 2, function 2, function 3, like so on till nth number. Next comes the files used in the C program. The files are source file, header file, object file, executable file. Let us go through each file thoroughly. That is, source code file contains the source code of the program that defines the main function and maybe other functions. The file execution of any C source code file is .c. The main is the starting point of the execution when you successfully compile and run the program. A C program is general, may include even other source code files with the file extension .c. Next comes the header files. When working with large projects, it is often desirable to make subroutines and store them in a different file known as header file. The advantage of header file can be realized when to use the same subroutines in different programs, to change or add subroutines and have those changes be reflected in all other programs. So next ends with the .h extension, and its name can use only letters, digits, dashes, and underscores. Standard header files are available in C. The programmer may also create own user-defined header files. Next is the object files. The object files are generated by the compiler as the result of the processing the source code file. Object files contain compact binary code of the function definitions. Linker uses this object file to produce an executable file, that is .exe file, by combining of the object files together. So object files have a .o extension, although some operating systems including Windows and MS-DOS have a .object extension for the object file. The last one is the binary executable file. The binary executable file is generated by the linker. The linker links the various object files to produce a binary file that can be directly executed. On Windows operating system, the executable files have .exe extension. So this brings us to the end of this session. Thank you so much for listening throughout the session. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and this could help me for my studies. Thank you.